Hi, I'm Enzo, and I'm going to tell you about sound and the way it moves and why you can hear it. Sound moves in waves, and they're basically just vibrations in the air. These waves carry a tiny amount of force in them, and depending on the volume of the sound, the force can be more or less. To measure if it will be more or less, sounds have amplitude, or height. So the bigger the amplitude, the louder the sound will be, and the smaller the amplitude, the quieter the sound will be. Wavelength alongside amplitude is another way to measure sound. Wavelength are the distance from the top of one wave to another. So high-pitched sounds will have a shorter wavelength, and lower-pitched sounds will have a longer wavelength, kind of like people's voices. Sound waves can actually crash into each other, and they can combine to create different outcomes which will affect the amplitude and the wavelength of the sound wave. People have done experiments with sound, such as levitating objects, moving objects, and removing white blood cells from the red. All of this can be done just because of the frequencies of the wavelength.